how to find games on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find games on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click this three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find games. And as you see here, you can find games videos, and you can find you can play games here. And that's how to find games on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.